Good morning everybody. So in the previous class I discussed about the Scf and Lcm, how to find Scf, how to find Lcm. Now I'm going to discuss some questions, some word problems based on Scf and Lcm. Scf, another word for Scf is GCF. HCF means what? Highest common factor. Same way GCF means what? Greatest common factor. So whenever if any question GCF is written, then don't get confused. It is equal to HCF. G means greatest. Clear? Greatest common factor. H means highest common factor. Okay. So now let's just start with the question. So question number 1. Find the greatest number. Find the greatest number that will divide 93, 111 and 129, leaving remainder 3 in each case. Leaving remainder 3 in each case. Okay. So find the greatest number that will divide 93, 111 and 129, leaving remainder 3 in each case. 3 in each case. This is important. Clear? You have to focus on these words, these terms. So 3 in each case means we have to subtract. Clear? Because this is the remainder. So you have to subtract 3 from each number. And greatest means you have to find out what? HCF. Okay. So first we subtract 3 from each. So 93 minus 3. This is what? 90. Then 111 minus 3. So 11 minus 3 is, when you subtract, it will be what? 801. Then 129 minus 3. This is equal to 126. Means you have to find the SCF of 90, then what? 108 and 126. So now we will start finding the SCF 90, 108 and 126. So I am doing it by division method. Clear? So 90, 108. How many times? Of course 1. So 90 here. So 8 and what? 1. Okay. Then again from 18 you will divide what? 90. How many times? 5 times. Clear? Now, so SCF of these two numbers is what? 18. Clear? Now we will find out the SCF of 18 and 126. This method I have already discussed yesterday. So you know the concept. So again you will divide what? 18 and then 126. This is only left. So how many times? 18 8s are 18 6s are. Just check. 18 7s are 5 12. Clear? Means how many times? 7 times. 126. Now no remainder. Okay. So what will be the answer? 18 will be the answer. So you will write HCF of, or simply HCF of the given numbers. Clear? HCF of the given numbers is equal to 18. Okay. Now let's do the next question. next is the HCF and LCM of two numbers are. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 50 and 300, 50 and 300 respectively. Excuse me. If one of the number is, if one of the number is 150, find the other number. Find the other number. Okay. So here for this type of question we will follow the formula. So product, which formula will follow? This one. Clear? Product of HCF, product of HCF and LCM is equal to what? One number into other number. Clear? This also it can be, or it can be product of two numbers. Okay, so this is the formula that we will use to solve this question. Okay, so product of HCF and LCM. Here it is written the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 50 and 30 respectively. So 50 and 30. So 50 HCF and 300 LCM. So we will write 50 into 300 is equal to, if one of the number is 150, one number is what? 150. Find the other number. Other number we have to find out. So this formula is very important. You can note it down in your copy. Okay, this will help you. So other number we have to find out. How we find the other number? We will write here other number is equal to 50 into 300 divided by 150. So 0 0 cancel, 5 3s are 15, and this is what? 100. So here the answer will be what? 100. Clear? Like this you can find out the answer, and this way by using this formula you can solve such type of question. So let's do one more question. The next question is the product of two numbers is, the product of two numbers is 432 and their LCM is 72. Find their HCF. Find their HCF. Okay. So the product of two numbers is 432. I have written the formula. You must have noted down. In that you can check. It is written HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Clear? So here product of two numbers is given 432. So we can write HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. What you do when you solve this type of question, know that every time you write the formula. So in every time means in each and every question, if you will write the formula, it will get stored in your mind. Okay. Now, so HCF and LCM. HCF you have to find out. HCF into LCM is 72. Product is given what? 432. So HCF will be equal to 432 divided by 72. Now you cut this one. So 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. then 6 6 are 36, clear, and then 6 3 are 18, 19, 20, 21, 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36. So your answer will be what? 6. Okay, I think it is clear. Now let's do the next question. Because in maths, if you solve more and more questions, you will be what? Very perfect. So just to know the formula, just to solve one question based on the formula is not enough. So that is why one formula is there, but different types of questions can come on the basis of that formula. Clear? Now, the product of two numbers is the product of two numbers is this one, and their SCF is 40. And their LCF is 40. Find their LCM. Find their LCM. Okay. So the product of two numbers is this one. HCF is given. So HCF into LCM is equal to what? Product of two numbers. So HCF is what here? 40. LCM, find out. Product is given 19,200. Okay. So how will find the LCM? LCM is equal to 19200 divided by what? 40. So here 2 2s are 4, and then 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, then 0, then 2 4s are 8, 2 8 are 16, and 0. So your final answer will be what? 480. I hope you all have also got the same answer. Okay. Now let's do the next question. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number which when increased by 1, which when increased by 1 is exactly divisible by exactly divisible by 12, 18, 24, 32 and 40. Okay. So to find the smallest number which when increased by 1 is exactly divisible by these numbers. Clear? Smallest number means you have to find out what? LCM. This is the way to find that whether you have to find the SCF or LCM. Highest word is mentioned there means you have to find HCF. So smallest number means you have to find out what? LCM. Then increased by 1. Increased by 1 means what? Always remember that when it is written in the question increased by 1 means you have to subtract 1 from the answer. Clear? Then only means when increased by 1 it is written in the question means after finding the answer you have to subtract 1 from the given from the answer. Okay. So now let's do. So first we find out the smallest number means LCM. So let's find out LCM. So 12, 18, 24, 32 and 40. Okay. So now let's find out by common division method. 2 6 are, then 2 9s are 12, then 16 and then 20. Then again 2 3 is not divisible. 12 we can divide. At least two numbers should get divide by this number, clear, that you are using here. So 2 6 are, then 2 8 are, 2 10. Then also we can take what? 2. So 3 is not, 9 is not. Then 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are. Then 2 we can't take because only 4 is divisible by 2. So we will take what? 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Then what? 3 1s are 3. Then 4 here and 5 here. Okay. So now what we will do? We will multiply this all. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Clear? 24. Then here we can do 4 5s are 20 and 23s are 60. 60. Then multiply. So 24 into 60. 24 into 60. How we will multiply? So 6 4s are 24. 4, 2 here. 6 2s are 12. 12 and 2, 14. So 14 means 1440 will be the answer. Then what we have to do? Okay, we don't have to leave till here only. It is written increased by 1 means we will write the required number. Required number is equal to what? 1440 minus 1. So it will be what? 9 3 4 1. 1439 will be the correct answer. So always remember, increased by 1 means you have to subtract. Decreased by 1, then you have to add. Clear? Now again I am going to do the next question of different type. You must have got different type means yes. Now you will get it decreased by. Okay. So now let's do the next one. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number which on being decreased by, which on being decreased by 3 is completely divisible by, is completely divisible by 18, 36, 32 and 27. Okay. So find the smallest number which on being increased by 3, which on being decreased by 3 is completely divisible by this one, and the smallest number means you have to find out LCM, and whatever answer you will get, you have to add what? 3. Why? Because in the question it is given decrease. So always remember, when increase word is used you have to subtract, and when decrease word is used you have to add. Okay. Now, so first find out what LCM. So 18, 36, 32 and 27. Now, which one? How many times? 9, then 18, then 16. This is not possible. Then again you can take 3. 3 3s are, 3 6s are, then 3 9s are. Okay. Then again you can take 3. 3 1, 3 2 and then 3 3s are 9. Okay. Then 16 was only here. Suppose I do 2, 8, then 2, 4, then 2, 2. No, but this is not the rule. Okay. So let it be here. Maximum 2 numbers should get divided by this number. So this, leave it. And then what we will do? We will multiply. So 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. And 18 2s are 36. So 36 into, then 16 3s are 48. Okay. So now multiply 36 and 48. You multiply. Okay. This is a 1728. Once again, check the calculation. 2 9s are 2, 18 2s are 16 2s are 27. Okay. 3 3s are, then 3 6 are 16, and then 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, then 16 is not divisible, then 3 3s are 9. Again 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Okay, and 16 3s are 48. This is the number. 8 6 are 48, 8 4, 8 3s are 24, and 8 4 28. 6 4s are 24, 4 2 here, 4 3s are 12, and 2 14. 8 12, 6 and 1 7, and 1. Okay. Now decrease by 3 means you have to add. So 1 7 2 8 plus. So first you will write what? First you will write the required number is. Required number is equal to what? 1 7 2 8. Decrease by 3 means plus 3. Okay. So 1731. Okay, there is no problem. I hope I have copied all the correct question. $1,731. Clear? So two things important you have learned here. First, the formula. Clear? First is the formula. And the second one is what? That increase or decrease. Clear? So increase or decrease. So when increase is there, what we do? We subtract the given number from the LCM. And when decrease word is used, then what we do? Add. So you can check also. Clear? So decrease means what? We have added 3 here, and smallest number means we have to find out the LCM. Okay. One more thing I want to check here, that no, it's okay. So this much is for this class. Next topic I will discuss in the next class. Till then, have a nice day.